Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a multi-bootable USB drive for any operating system like Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 11, Ubuntu, Linux, any operating system. So if in end of this video you'll be able to make a bootable USB drive suitable for Linux, Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Windows 11, and you can install operating system for all these operating systems from one USB drive. So let's get started. First of all, you need Windows operating system or Linux Ubuntu operating system ISO file. So to download ISO files, I'm going to show you how you can download Windows 7, Windows 10 and Windows 11 ISO files. So first you go to type in Windows 11 ISO download and click on here. So download Windows 11 ISO disk image, select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO, then choose language and then confirm. Windows 11 supports only 64-bit download, so select 64-bit and you will start to download. Now same way, if you wanna download Windows 10, just type in Windows 10 ISO download. So to download, to create a ISO file, you'll have to download a create Windows 10 installation media, and from there you can download ISO file or make a bootable USB drive. So once you download the ISO files, I have the ISO files already, so I'm going to cancel that. Once you download the ISO files, open a new window and type in Ventor. This is the application I'm going to use for to create multi-bootable USB drive. You can just type in www.ventor.net/en/download. .html. There you go. So it's ventor.net/en/download.html. So this is the page you will come to. I will add a link to for this website so you can easily navigate. So download Windows 10 zip file. This is the latest release, so I'm going to click on that. Ventor for Windows zip file, and it starts to download. Now once the download is complete, just go onto your downloaded files and then unzip it. That's your unzipped downloaded files. Now you'll have to install a USB drive. Plug in a USB drive to your computer before you start to install it. double click on it, click yes. Then the USB file is selected, so just click on install, yes, yes. So the disk has been created. Now close it and then go on to the USB. So as you can see, it's created the bootable USB already. Now all you need to do is just copy the ISO file and paste them here. So let's go on to ISO files you downloaded, just copy them and paste them onto the USB. So once the ISO is complete, so I have copied only Windows 10 and 11 only, just to save the time. Once this is complete, just close the window and then restart the computer. Click on restart and then boot from the USB. So now restart the computer. Printer is loading. There you go. As you can see, two operating system ISO files are here. So if you are going to install Windows 11, you can just select it and then press enter, and Windows 11 will start to install on the computer. Same way, if you are trying to install Windows 10, you can install from the same USB as well. And if you select ISO file for Linux or Ubuntu, you can just drag and drop the ISO files to the USB, and then you will be installed from that USB as well. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.